Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you how to go from this to this girl using the Irresistible Me 8-in-1 Sapphire curling wand. Yeah, I'm in love with this curling wand. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much to Irresistible Me. So this is how it comes all together. You get the separate part. It does a swivel at the handle, so that is a very convenient, and it snaps in so easily. It did look like I had a little struggle, but you know, sometimes I'm just a little slow. But it snaps right in. Just make sure the arrows are lined up and twisted and lock it on in, girl, and it is there. Here are the 8 barrels that it comes with. It is so nice, you guys. It does come with a booklet on everything, and here are the wands. I am going to be using the 19mm wand today. That is my absolute favorite. I just love how it curls. Well, it kind of gives me like my perfect curls. I just love it so much. Also, there is a link below for you guys, a special link if you guys want to purchase the wand. No, I do not get paid off this, but this is just for you guys. They are also available. They have an app on iTunes, on the App Store. So if you guys want to download it, I will have that in the description box as well. So first, y'all, I just love to brush and brush and brush my hair. Like, I have to brush, make sure all the kinks is out. It has to be as smooth as I could possibly make it, because I hate when it's like gathered. It just irritates me so bad. So now I'm just gonna part it and start the curling. So yeah, you guys, make sure you continue to watch it all the way to the end. And also, before I forget, this wand does go up to 450 degrees, y'all, so it does get super hot, and it does come with a glove. But even with the glove, it is really still hot at 450. So just make sure you don't burn yourself, girl, because I've burned myself so many times. But it gets so hot and it curls so well. The curls last all freaking day, trust me. So yeah, you guys, now that I have it all curled up, I love to go through with like my paddle brush and just brush them all out and just style it how I normally would. But yeah, look how bouncy and beautiful these curls look, girl. They just look so nice. Oh my gosh, so pretty and bouncy, and I just love it. So yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.